What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. In the last episode, we discussed how gold could potentially continue down, and that is pretty much what we got. We had a very good week. Now, what can we expect in this particular week, keeping in mind that we have NFP as well? So, without wasting any further time, let's quickly get started. Now, as usual, we always begin our analysis with the dollar index. Right here, my previous expectation on this was that we tap into this fair value gap right here and continue to push higher. Right, this was, I think, on weekly time frame, and whatever you see right now is basically range bound price action. We have created a range from this high to this low, and we are trading inside this. So this is not really one directional or giving you any clear sign of where it wants to head, but this is just my anticipation that most likely we still might continue a little lower and then start pushing higher. However, let's look at Euro USD and maybe see if we have something cleaner. So on Euro, we have a very clean buy side liquidity being created, which adds up to our DXY analysis, which indicates that potentially DXY could start off the week as a little bearish and then maybe continue on the upper side, right? Similarly, inversely, Euro USD could continue higher and then continue lower, trapping the trendline buyers right above this. So this is my expectation for the week. If I go on a 4-hour time frame right here, what I see right now is we have potentially tested this multiple times, and we could most likely manipulate this once again and continue lower, because we have comfortably broke structure not once but twice, right? So that's pretty much my expectation, and this would be a very good target in my eyes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now GBP USD is also looking very good. If I see this on a daily time frame, we are very clearly holding this support, and post which we have also managed to close well on the weekly time frame right here. And since monthly has also closed, so there's a very good chance the new monthly candle would like to grab previous month's high liquidity, right? Same thing with Euro USD as well. The new monthly candle would most likely like to get that liquidity again. We might see some retracement eventually, right? Now finally, let's talk about gold. So right now with gold, it's very interesting. If I go on a monthly time frame right here, we have closed bearish once again. There's a very heavy rejection that we are seeing. Even on a weekly time frame, there's very clean rejection, failed to make a higher high, which is showing weakness and making this point as the easiest point of liquidity, right? Now let's go on a daily time frame and see what's happening. So on a daily time frame right here, as I said earlier, we failed to close above this, which means now there's a very good chance once we manipulate this low 2303, there's a very good chance we will see a short-term correction on the upside, but eventually we are going down. So that's my bias on gold. Even if I go on a 4-hour time frame, I think a simpler trade in my opinion would be selling from this point right here. Whatever price range this is, 41 to 59, would be a best positional short opportunity for you all to target, to eventually target. This would be the first target, of course, 2277 odd levels, and eventually you can, if you can manage to hold, you can potentially target 2200 from this level. So that's my anticipation on gold. If you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. For regular updates, make sure you're part of my Twitter and Telegram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.